Okay, so this is Google Chromecast with Google TV. Look at all that, whatever. I'm unboxing it on my crotch. This is an unboxing on my crotch video. Sorry. And apologies, really. And so we have a tab to lift this up, so that's awesome. This isn't going to go well for me because I'm going to be doing this one-handed, and I'm not sure how I'm going to manage. So I think that was the thingy. And then this is actually a remote. That's cool, if that's what that is. And then there's, one of those books, Let's Get Started, that no one ever reads. It's pretty thin. And then we have, really, it's awesome because this was free. All of this was free. So a USB to a USB-C. And it's a very nice cable. It feels great. Really nice quality. And a USB charger. I guess I have to pull that out. But this is probably a good amperage one. So it's always good to have one of these USB chargers. So I don't know if it has any. Wow, it's probably here. Okay, we'll go in for the close-up. I can't see it. I'll try to add a still image of that later on. I'm holding my breath to try to make this as still as possible. But I'm a naturally shaky person. Okay. And it has weight to it. Feels really good. Super quality. Nice. Definitely nice for sure. Now, the other is, before doing an unboxing video, I probably should have cleaned the crud out from under my nails. Oh, it's not too bad. Anyway. And look at this. Somewhere in here are these batteries. Do they actually say like Google on them? Wouldn't that be something? So, they're white. They're white. They have good heft to them, which is always a sign of a good quality battery. But other than that, I don't know what the heck it is. They're really the most generic, non-branded battery I've ever seen. Ooh. But they're good until February of 2631. Okay, I think that was 2030. 2000. Does that say 2031? February of 2031. That's insane. Okay. Anyway, that's it. Well, that's it for all this. But there is this. I understand now the people that make little brackets to hold their phones that have a mouthpiece, and they actually stick the mouthpiece in their mouth, and it allows them to see what's going on. Wow, it is awesome that it has a remote. Wow. Oh, and look at this. Center button, and who knows what this is about, because it's like it goes in any possible direction. It's not like just left, right, up, and down, although it might be. That's pretty awesome. Am I holding it upside down? I'm not, so that's good. There's a back. This reminds me of Roku's remote, that it has a back. There's home. You can mute the audio. You can go straight to YouTube or Netflix. So cha-ching, they did a financial arrangement with Netflix, obviously. Power, and I'm not sure what that is, menu or something. It looks like probably an LED. I don't know what that is. I've seen this before on things, but I don't really recall what that is. I don't know. It's pretty lightweight, but it feels kind of nice. Wow, It's actually similar to the Roku remote in a bunch of ways, but it's a little smaller. It doesn't feel nearly as good in the hand, and it's really slick. It has the volume left and right. I'm sorry, the volume buttons there, the battery door. And so what's the deal? Is this infrared, or is that a plug-in kind of thingy? So I guess it's infrared. And for comparison, here is the Roku remote. Volume buttons on the side. But it's kind of like if you sliced a Twinkie in half the long way. This one's closer to the size of a Twinkie, and actually really, if you sliced a Twinkie in half, that's almost exact, which makes me think of marketing the Twinkie mote. Because who doesn't like a Twinkie? Actually, everyone hates Twinkies, but they think they're good. Or something like that. Nostalgia. Romantic nostalgia. Anyway, I'm getting too wordy. That was it for the remote. Here's the device. Any second, my wife's going to say, "What are you doing down there?" Mm-hmm. Well, my left hand is more talented than I thought. Everyone, don't make any rude comments on that. I might have to use my teeth. Oh, okay, let's try it this way. Yeah, my wife's stirring up above. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's one of those nice sort of clothy bags that I want to reuse for something, but I don't know what. And then we have this, which is the device itself. Very thin, very slick feeling. It feels nice. It's very small overall, even though it's sort of broad this way, but because it's thin, it's small overall. This cable feels good. The quality feels good. It has enough heft for its thinness. And that is a USB-C. And there's a little Google G on it. Oh, I think we're getting my COVID-19 belly in the shot as well. And then there's a push button. Oh, who doesn't like when there's a little push button? And it says HDMI, and it is an HDMI. That could be a weak point, but I don't think it really would be. The cable probably goes inside quite a bit. So that's the scoop. Who knows what it's like to actually use it, but it was absolutely free from Google. Let's get started. Bye.